Today I want to talk about the warranties and what you should look for in the warranty and what most salespeople don't tell you about the warranty. So I always have people come into our office and they say, well, this has got a lifetime warranty. And yes, that's what the wording says, but if you read the fine print, it typically isn't a full lifetime warranty. Honestly, I got caught with this. Years ago, I was telling people that the warranty for PVC decking was 50 years. I had no idea that it was prorated, and we ran into a situation. We obviously stepped up and took care of the customer, but I didn't want that to happen again. So I require all of my team to make sure that homeowners understand what the warranty means, if it's prorated, or if there's any changes or surprises a homeowner might see down the line. I just wanted to point this out so you as a homeowner, when you're choosing products, you can look real deeply into the fine print to make sure you're actually getting the protection you were promised. A lot of times you're not getting what a salesperson told you. So at Buresh, we always want you to understand exactly what you're getting and what protection you're getting. So don't let yourself be surprised if you do have a warranty claim and find out that your warranty isn't what you were told. And if you have any questions on any warranties, just reach out. We're here to help.